Hello, my name is Shyam Desai. My registration number is UR16CS090. Today I am going to explain about hashing. Hashing is when the worst case zero of big of n equal to 1. It means it works for the first time. For this is the header file. I took an array of 5 elements which I gave the values of -1, which includes that the spaces in the array are empty. Here I took a function of hashing with the data int I initially with the position data modify, which shows if the value that has been entered is divided by modify, then the value which comes, it should be inserted in the position. If the position of the stack is -1 is equal to -1, then the data will be placed in the position. Else if it is not equal to -1, then the value of I, which is the stack position of the stack, that will be incremented with +1 and is again divided by modify. Then the value which is after the incrementation of I, which goes to the second value, there it will be placed, and the value that has been placed will be uh, given out as a CO, hash table is full. And another function, display function, which displays the number of elements in the stack. This was the insertion function. Now search function, which searches the element of the data of the stack. First, initially we have to enter the data that has to be searched. It is divided by modify. Then the value that comes, it searches to the position of the value that is equating to it. If the data is found at the same position, then it shows the position. Else, if data is not found at the position, the value will go across the loop and it gets incremented and goes to the next position, and the loop runs until it finds the value and gives out the value. If the value is not in a stack, it shows -1. And the main function in this, first I got the input from the user to enter the elements of the hash table, for which the values that has been entered are entered into the stack as accordingly by dividing by 5 and entering the positions. And then the searching of the element is done. If the element is found, then it shows the position, else it shows that element has not found. Now let's run this program. Here we have to enter the elements. I am entering the elements 5 digits, and these are the elements that I have entered. Now to search the element, I give the number of element. It shows the position of the element that has been displayed. Thank you.